Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Nifty in 5 minutes chart. We have opened slight gap up. There was a selling pressure in first 5 minutes. Nifty retraced from bottom to top trend line. Again tested the resistance at 19,700. It has consolidated and moved higher. Closed with 107 points positive. Banknifty in 5 minutes chart. Open slight gap up and we seen a selling pressure in 5 minutes candle. It has recovered and slowly it has moved higher. Later part of the day consolidated above CPR levels. And closed with 183 points positive. Now let's begins the open interest analysis. Will follow by FII. In options put side. There were holding 4.49 locks contracts, now there have unwinding 87,000 contracts, so there have 3.62 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 3.05 locks contracts, now there have unwinding 9,000 contracts, so there have 2.95 locks contract in call side. Option data is neutral. Futures FII have reduced 3% long and increased 3% shorts, so there have 51% long and 49% short. Futures positions is also neutral. In cash market FII sold for 700 crores. Conclusion of FII data is neutral and booking profit in futures and cash market. Now we'll check for client. There are also known as retailers. In options put side. There were holding 6.20 locks contracts, now there have unwinded 2.66 locks contracts, so there have 3.53 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 78,000 contracts, now there have added call reading contracts of 1.49 locks contracts. Option data is showing positivity. Futures retailers have not changed anything. Futures positions is neutral. In cash market retailers are sold for 518 crores. Conclusion of retailers, there have no direction view. Now we'll check for promoters. In options put side. There were holding 1.33 locks contracts, now there have made a fresh put reading of 44,000 contracts. At call side there were holding 2.26 locks contracts, now there have unwinded 1.58 locks contracts, so there have 67,000 contracts. Option data is neutral. Futures pros have increased 2% long and reduced 2% shorts, so there have 48% long and 52% short. Futures positions is neutral. In cash market they purchase for 385 crores. Conclusion of pro, there are neutral. DI purchased for 2,488 crore. So the cash flow was 1,653 crores positive value. Now we'll check put call ratio. Nifty for this week is 0.85 and Banknifty for this week is 0.9, both neutral to positive. For month end Nifty is at 1.3 and Banknifty is at 1.13, super positive for month end. Now let's check price action. Nasdaq trading positive by 7 points. Dow trading positive by 21 points. India VIX at 10.41 raised 3% today. Nifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Banknifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Now mark the algo points in cash market. Nifty first support at 19,645 and first resistance at 19,820. Banknifty first support at 45,440 and first resistance at 45,780. So as per the open interest analysis, data is neutral to positive. Consolidation to some positive move is expected. We can get intraday trades only for scalping. Buy on dip and sell on rise. That's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.